video. This is my project 2 for the travel module. In this project, I implemented a teleportation-based travel technique and added wayfinding aids to help users navigate the virtual environment. For the travel technique, I used teleportation with Unity's XR interaction toolkit. Teleportation allows the user to move beyond the physical tracking space without real walking, which makes navigation comfortable and avoids motion sickness. Right now, let me switch to right hand controller and point at one of the spots. It changes to, the color change uh, and it does the teleportation for us. For wayfinding, I use predefined teleportation markers placed at key locations in the environment. These markers act as a navigation points and help user understand where they can go. You can see them right here. They are yellow pointers and to make navigation clear, I added the main areas as left area, right area, and start point. These labels help user orient themselves and decide where to teleport. We can see right area right here, and let me show you the start and also left area. Start area is here. We have its sign, and left area is right here. The experience is designed for forward exploration. The user starts at the initial position and then teleports to six predefined destination. The wayfinding supports uh, guided movements through the environment. Now let me go to left area. And we are in left area right now. We can see right area from here. This is in this Unity scene, the XR origin handles tracking for users, camera, and controllers. The left-hand controller is used for snap turning, while the right-hand controllers uses a ray and teleport interactor to enable teleportation. Valid destinations are defined using teleportation anchors placed in the environment. And text mesh pro labels such as left and right areas are used to support wayfinding and help user understanding where they can teleport. This project is demonstrate a this project demonstrates a teleport-based travel technique and clear wayfinding aids that helps user navigate the environment. Thank you for watching the video.